Hello everybody, on today's video we have this Sportsroyals Home Gym. This thing is packed and loaded with different exercises, so let's get it outside of the box and check it out. All right, as we said in the intro, this is the Sportsroyals Home Gym full body workout machine with the 150-pound stack. This thing has easy assembly. It ships in 4 boxes with clear instructions and video support. Has everything needed to assemble inside of the box. This thing also has heavy duty 70 by 50 millimeter steel frames with non-slip foot pads and 35 exercises to target every muscle group, including upper, lower, and core. And here's just a few of them: chest flies, leg presses, lat pull downs, low row, chest press, shoulder press, leg extension, upright row, front raise, lateral raise, seated row, reverse grip pull down, leg curl, ab pull down. You also got calf training, back extension, mild row, bicep curl, tricep pull down, cable crossover, straight arm pull down, standing curl, calf raise, kickback, and many more. This thing is smooth and quiet with premium pulley and cable system for fluid motion. Once again, 150-pound stack. It's got a compact footprint, ideal for garage, apartments, basements, and for gyms. And it has custom adjustments too, so you have multi-level seat, arm, and leg adjustments for any height. Get fit without the gym fees. Order your Sportsroyals Home Gym today. Thanks for watching.